What's up, y'all? This is Big Pat the Fit MD, and welcome back to the channel. Yo, I am busting my butt, man. Like, I just got home from work. I gotta wash my clothes. I gotta cook me something to eat. You know, I gotta feed my dog. You know, I'm tired, but yo, you gotta put in the work if you wanna see results. So I gotta be able to squeeze in a little exercise here and there, you know, for at least like a half an hour, 45 minutes, you know, just so that I stay on the ball, all right? So today we're gonna be doing goblet squats, all right? So let me show you how to do goblet squats first though, all right? So you take any dumbbell, right? It's gotta be a little bit more than 10 pounds, right? You grab it like this, you hold it tight up against your chest like so, right? And, you know, you keep your back straight at all times. You're looking forward, okay? And, you know, you keep your legs shoulder width apart, or a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. You point your toes outward and you squat. When you come down, make sure that your elbows like hit your thigh, and then you come up. All right? Now when you go down, you take a deep breath in. When you go up, you exhale going up. All right? Very important. If you don't inhale and exhale going down, whether you're doing this, the goblet squat, or the squat, you're gonna catch a hernia. So super important. All right? All right, so that's pretty much how you do it. All right, so we're gonna do probably 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets, and see how it feels. All right, let's get it on. Let's get it in. All right. All right, that's one set. All right, I'm gonna show you my feet. This angle is a little off. I'm gonna move this camera a little bit. All right, so you know, we're gonna, wow, that was pretty good. You know, we're gonna give ourselves about a minute rest because I'm pressed for time today, guys. So a minute's rest, and we're gonna get it in again. All right, so remember, your feet a little bit shoulder width apart. All right, your toes pointed a little bit outward, and the reason why is when you come down, you want your toes in alignment with your knees. All right, so when you're coming down, you want to come down like that, but you don't want your knees to pass your big toe. All right, so the only way that that's not gonna always happen is to make sure that your chest is always up and your back, and you're looking straight ahead, and your back is straight when you go down like that. All right, that's how that'll never happen. All right, you guys ready? Set 2 is up. Let's do it. All right, toes pointed outward, legs shoulder width apart. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Man, that was heavy. Whew. Man, you see the sweat? Your boy is out of shape. Whew, COVID-19 is getting me right now. Whew. But yeah, what is this? This is about maybe 70 pounds of weight, and it's really doing the trick. See what I mean? So you don't always have to have all the expensive weights to get a good workout, and you don't really need a lot of time, you know, to get in a good workout. So this goblet squat, it works out mostly the front part of your legs, your quadricep, and it works out your butt a lot too, and less so your hamstrings. All right, so if you're lagging in the front part of your legs, this is a great exercise to do. All right, if you lack flexibility in your ankles to squat down as low as possible, you want to put a weight plate underneath your ankles. So let me show you. So you put the plates down like so, and then you put your heels on the edges of the plate, and that way it lifts your heel up. So when you go down, you don't have to flex your ankle as much if you have low ankle mobility, if you have poor ankle mobility. So remember that if you have that problem. I don't really have that problem because I stretch a lot. All right, so if you haven't seen my video on stretching, I'll leave it in the link, all right? But it's time to go back into my last set, and then I'm out because I got mad stuff to do, guys. All right, so let me do this last set. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. All right, let's get it. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Woo! Man, it fell apart. All right.